Hey guys, welcome to CSS Battle again, and this is your channel Web Tutorials, and I'm your host Tarak. So, in this video, we will be solving the Wiggly Moustache, which is the 12th target of CSS Battle number one, which is a pilot battle. So, what we will be doing is we'll try to achieve this shape. Uh, without wasting any further time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, and hit the like button, and let's go. So to begin this tutorial, let's delete the existing code. What we would be doing is like our previous code which we solved. So we'll be following some of those principles. So let's break down this into one element called div, and there can be an. So let's have a div tag first, and let's put style on it. So first, let's center everything on the body, so we can have display type to be flex. You can have align items, center, justify content, center. So just let's have a div. So each div element would be, since we are going to create a full circle and we are going to cut it into half. So this I think is an 100 by 100. So basically the height should be 50 and the width should be 100. So height to be 50 pixels. And width to be 100 pixels. For now, let's give a background to be green just for our reference. Yeah, we will have overflow to hidden. Yeah, so we'll hide whatever is overflowing. Inside the div element, let's have I need an inline block element. So default inline block element can be an image tag. So image tag is a self-closing tag, so you need not close it also. So we can have an image tag. So, we need not give a height and the width. So by default it has a height and the width, so we can directly give border to be 30 pixels, solid, and we can the border solid, and we can give this color. So we are going to give the background of the entire body element at the end so that we can see what we are working on. Let's give border radius 50%. It needs to be center. So we know like this is a 60 pixel width and we have 40 pixel extra. So divide by 220 pixel, we can give margin 20. So I think this is perfectly aligned left, right, and center. Then we can have box shadow. So it needs to be 20 pixels from location 0, 0, 0, 20 pixels. Yeah, and the color of this would be, yeah. So basically we need three of this div elements. So let's copy this div 2, div 3. I'm going to keep it in a different line and then we'll optimize for code. Now we need to transform it. So basically we can have style. Each has a different transformation. So transform, translate. So we need, before that I want everything to be absolute, so everything comes in the center. So we can give here position absolute. So everything is on top of each other. So here we can give minus 80 pixels and let's rotate it, and then we'll know how do we adjust it. Rotate 180 degree. Okay, so we need to push down minus 25 pixels. Oh, there needs to be a comma in between. Oh, it's not minus, it's plus 25 pixels. Yeah, I think this circle is perfectly aligned. The center circle needs to be pushed up, and the last circle again will have the same transformation. But instead of minus 80 pixel, it will be plus 80 pixels, and 25 rotate 180 degree. That also sounds right. And in this one we'll have 0, not and we will not rotate it, but we will have minus 25 pixels. It goes on top. So if you see, we have got the basic shape. Now all we need is this circle, this 2 circle. What we are going to do is, like, let's add one eye tag. Let's add one eye tag, and let's style that eye tag. So we are going to use box shadows again. So basically, let's have an eye tag with a border of 20 pixels, solid. Let's have the color to be that's a border radius 50%. It's too big, not 20 pixels. I think it must be 10 pixels. Yeah, 10 pixels sounds about right. I think 10 pixels is right. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to put box shadow. Let's and not this way. We don't want 20 pixels on top, so let's have it again 0, and this will be like 180, no, 80 pixels, no, 180 pixels, no, 120 pixels, so 120 pixels, 0 0 and stuff. And same thing you can have minus 120 pixels, 0 0 0. Instead of giving color twice, we can have one time mention of color. I guess this is the entire Wiggly Moustache. So let's remove the background green from here, and let's give the background to the body. Background of this color to the body. So here we go. So we have this solution. Let's submit and see. Yay, it's an 100% match. It's 100% match with 601 characters. And let's not optimize this. So basically you understand it much better. So we are using a div tag for each individual mustache, and we have used an eye which is centered, but we are casting its shadow at this point and this point, so you get a Wiggly Moustache. So I hope you like this video. For more battles, like we have completed pilot battle with this. Next we'll be starting on with visibility battle, and to see more of the video on this CSS battle, and if you liked it, don't forget to leave a comment, and if you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you receive the video as soon as it is available. Thank you and have a great day.